Shake, shake, shake! It's time for the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. Hi everyone, today's December 1st. I'm Yana, super excited to dive into this amazing Crafty Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. Let's go ahead and locate our window number 1 and open it. Here it is. By the way, if you don't know what this is, if you are by chance brand new to my YouTube channel and you're wondering about the Crafty Advent Calendar, I have a video looking at the Crafty Advent, explaining what it is and telling you why I think it is super cool. So let's go ahead and open window number 1. My intention is to open these every day in December. I'm not sure if that's going to happen or not, but we will try. Okay. So look at this. We can see the design on the flap here. Looks like it's a dog. I wonder if that's a stamp set because it kind of looks like a no, it's a die. I was wrong. Okay, cool. Open this teeny tiny baggie and take a look. Okay. Okay. We even have a sentiment. It says, "I woof you." Then we have a whole bunch of tiny little parts to assemble the dog. Super cute. I'm going to pause my video, think about this card design or this die design, make a card, and then I'll be back. And here's a look at my card and the adorable puppy created using day 1 dies. Here's another one that I made. This was like my test practice piece. Let me quickly explain what each die cuts. So this one cuts the ears. This one cuts the body of the dog and it layers over the ears. You also have this die and this cuts "I woof you." So cute, so adorable. I have it right here. Now these 2 dies, this one cuts the collar for the dog. This one cuts the nose for the dog. This die cuts the little paws. These, I have them cut in brown. This die, we have 3 pieces here. These cut the little details. So we have the detail to add to the tail, and then 2 little detailed pieces to add to the side of the dog, or like to the back. Here, I assembled this incorrectly because I should have adhered this piece onto the body of the dog before I added the collar. So keep note, or take note of that. And then we have this piece, and this one creates the tongue. And if you want, you can also cut this piece, and this can go behind the nose. You can see there's like a little opening in the nose right here. You can add a little, additional color of cardstock there if you want. So it's a small die set, but it is mighty, very, very cool die set. I have a simple card. Super simple, actually. So I decided I would make a Valentine's Day card or an I love you card. My color combo is ridiculously simple. I have tutu and, well, I was going to say mint, but this is not mint. Hold on. This is not mint. Tutu and seaside. There we go. So tutu and seaside along with brushed black, brushed white. Oh, and one more, which is poppy. I have a tiny bit of red here for the color, and then for the little heart, I also brought gold glitter cardstock to die cut the little hearts and the little dots. Now I used, of course, additional die sets to create this card. I have this one, and from this die set, I used the little envelope as well as the little details to decorate the tree. And this detail die set also has this tiny little heart. And then I also used this die set. This is a super old one, yet it's still one of my all-time favorite die sets. I'll have to check and see if it is still available. It might be discontinued, I'm not sure. But I used this trio of hearts to die cut the pink hearts that you have in the background. I super duper love this card. It's simple, very simple. I have this beautiful seaside background. I have the dog with the floppy ears. I have a cute sentiment, "I woof you." And then I have the hearts coming from the dog expressing his love. So this is a look at the day 1 surprise of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar for 2025. I'll be back tomorrow with day 2.